one stadium, two NFL teams, a $1.6 billion price tag, and in 2026, the eyes of the entire world. Welcome to MetLife Stadium, sitting just 8 miles west of Midtown Manhattan, in East Rutherford, New Jersey. And if you think this is just another football stadium, you haven't been paying attention. Opened in 2010, MetLife seats 82,500 fans, making it one of the largest in the entire NFL. But what makes this place truly unique? It lights up in blue for the Giants and switches to green for the Jets. Two teams, one house, zero compromises. Built on reclaimed Meadowlands land, this 2.2 million square foot facility used over 40,000 tons of recycled steel. Much of it pulled directly from the old Giant Stadium that stood right here. And right now, MetLife is in the middle of a massive transformation to host the 2026 FIFA World Cup, including the final match. The lower bowl was completely redesigned, corners demolished, modular seating systems installed. The field itself expanded to meet FIFA's exact dimensions. Phase 1 wrapped in May 2024. Phase 2, May 2025. This stadium didn't just prepare for the World Cup, it rebuilt itself for it. If you're planning a visit, whether it's a Giants game, a Jets matchup, or a concert, here's what you need to know. Transit is easy. Take NJ Transit's Meadowlands Rail from Secaucus Junction and you're here in 10 minutes.
Before building the future, 70,000 tons of old steel must be ripped from the earth. The ground beneath is a treacherous, shifting marshland, entirely unfit to hold 82,000 tons of concrete. To conquer the swamp, builders must drive over 10,000 steel piles down to solid bedrock. Every single pile is injected with ultra-high-density concrete to create an indestructible underground root system.
An invisible subterranean fortress, anchoring the weight of the most expensive stadium in America.
Day and night, a massive fleet of heavy armor hollows out the colossal footprint of the arena. Precision is everything when you are fighting nature for every square inch of terrain. Advanced water diversion systems are installed to ensure this massive structure never sinks into the Jersey Marsh. The foundation is secured, setting the stage for an engineering marvel of unprecedented scale. The massive pour begins, creating a monolithic concrete slab that covers over 2 million square feet.
Workers eliminate every hidden pocket of air, ensuring the concrete cures with absolute structural integrity.
Inside the liquid stone lies a complex skeletal cage of high-tensile steel rebar. Every single intersection is tied by hand, demanding brute strength and hyper-focus. Entire subterranean highways are cast in stone to house the stadium's massive power infrastructure.
Laser precision down to the millimeter guarantees a perfectly flat foundation for the massive superstructure. Giant precast concrete pillars, weighing 40 tons each, begin to rise from the mud.
This is grueling, high-stakes labor, where one wrong move means instant catastrophe.
The columns lock directly into the bedrock piles, creating a single, unified superstructure. The concrete core is complete, ready to bear the weight of 40,000 tons of steel. Now comes the steel, 40,000 tons of heavy metal shipped from across the nation. High above the ground, ironworkers face lethal heights to piece the giant puzzle together. Every joint is secured with high-strength bolts, torqued to thousands of foot-pounds of pressure. The structural skeleton is designed to flex and absorb the violent vibrations of 80,000 screaming fans. White-hot plasma arcs fuse the primary load-bearing joints forever. Column by column, beam by beam, the staggering shape of the outer bowl begins to take form. There is zero room for error when aligning pieces that weigh more than commercial airliners.
Massively engineered cantilevers extend outward, allowing for a completely pillar-free viewing experience.
An elite army of ironworkers pushes through fierce New Jersey winds to keep the project on schedule.
The colossal steel skeleton stands complete, a towering monument of modern American engineering. With the steel skeleton erected, the massive operation to install the spectator bowls begins.
Thousands of interlocking precast concrete tiers are laid down to form the grandstands.
The steep angle of the seating bowl is engineered to bring fans closer to the field than ever before. Every single tier is anchored deep into the steel frame to withstand massive crowd surges.
82,500 individual seats arrive on site, waiting to fill the massive void.
Teams of specialized workers install thousands of seat brackets a day with mechanical precision. The blank gray concrete is rapidly transformed into a vibrant sea of spectator seating.
Hidden directly beneath the seats lies a vast maze of high-speed fiber optics and water lines.
Every single seat is mathematically verified to ensure an unobstructed view of the action. The Great Colosseum is fully formed, ready to hold a city's worth of die-hard fans. Deep inside the stadium structure, work begins on over 200 ultra-exclusive luxury suites. Heavy industrial materials meet high-end architectural design in a race against the clock. Designed to generate millions, these multi-million-dollar boxes require independent structural support systems. Hundreds of miles of heavy electrical cables are fed through the walls to power the stadium's grids. Premium soundproofing insulation is installed to isolate the elite suites from the roar of the crowd. Giant shatterproof glass walls are erected, offering pristine, panoramic views of the entire stadium bowl.
Independent climate control networks are woven into every suite to handle extreme New York winters. High-end luxury is crafted by hand inside what was once a brutalist concrete shell. The premium zones are locked down, setting a new standard for stadium luxury worldwide. Now, the stadium receives its iconic outer skin, a massive masterclass in architectural engineering. An exterior steel ring matrix is hung off the main structure to support the unique facade.
Over 50,000 individual aluminum louvers are brought in to enclose the giant structure. The louvers are hung at precise mathematical angles to allow natural airflow while blocking glare.
Huge panels are assembled on the ground and hoisted up, accelerating the massive installation process.
The unique louver design creates a shifting visual aesthetic, changing form based on the viewer's perspective. Miles of advanced, programmable LED lighting systems are integrated directly into the facade framework. With a single switch, the entire stadium can instantly change its color identity to match its teams. The exterior skin is complete, giving New York an unmistakable and imposing new landmark. To dominate the fan experience, the stadium requires the largest video displays ever built. Colossal scoreboard frames are anchored directly into the primary structural steel skeleton. Specialized technicians wire thousands of data lines to feed uncompressed high-definition video feeds. These massive screens consume enough electrical energy to power hundreds of suburban homes simultaneously. Ironworkers bolt the video housings down to survive massive windstorms and seismic shifts. Testing begins on over 40,000 square feet of ultra-bright LED video surfaces. Every single pixel block is calibrated by hand to ensure absolute color perfection under daylight.
Miles of secondary ribbon displays are wrapped around the interior bowl to complete the digital arena.
The massive digital nervous system is fully alive, ready to broadcast history to millions.
At the absolute center of the project, engineering the actual playing field demands total perfection.
A high-capacity subterranean drainage grid is installed to evacuate inches of rain per hour.
Layer upon layer of highly engineered aggregates filter water away from the playing surface instantly.
The subbase is compacted with massive force to create a perfectly flat, unyielding foundation.
Giant rolls of advanced synthetic turf are deployed across the massive 2-acre floor.
The turf seams are chemically fused under high heat to prevent tearing under heavy impact.
Hundreds of tons of specialized rubber infill are spread to provide critical shock absorption.
This complex infill matrix is engineered to mimic natural soil and significantly reduce athlete injury. Precision lasers guide the painting of the field markings down to a fraction of an inch. Outside the stadium gates, a massive logistics network must be carved out of the landscape.
Over 28,000 parking spaces are paved across a massive asphalt footprint. Miles of traffic lanes are mapped out to control the chaos of over 30,000 vehicles.
A custom rail link is built directly to the stadium doors to move tens of thousands of fans per hour. Heavy infrastructure connects the stadium directly to the heart of New York City.
Advanced crowd flow logistics are simulated to prevent lethal bottlenecks at the entry gates.
A massive perimeter security grid is installed, creating a highly monitored, secure zone. Indestructible outer barriers are locked into place, securing the multi-million-dollar perimeter.
The outer perimeter is secure, linking this engineering titan directly to the world.
The build is over, but before the gates can open, the stadium faces ultimate testing. High-pressure water systems simulate extreme hurricane conditions to test for structural leaks.
Advanced electronic strain sensors monitor how the stadium flexes under maximum simulated loads.
Redundant mega generators are fired up to ensure the stadium never goes dark during a global broadcast. Massive high-pressure water pumps are calibrated to flood the system in case of an emergency. Millions of lumens of high-efficiency sports lighting illuminate the arena for the first time. System by system, the entire $1.6 billion complex is officially certified alive.
MetLife Stadium stands fully operational, a masterpiece ready for its grand debut.
April 10th, 2010. The gates finally open, welcoming 82,000 screaming fans. Built from the swamp, MetLife Stadium takes its crown as the ultimate coliseum of sports.
16 years later, a new global challenge forces a massive structural transformation.
To host the historic 2026 FIFA World Cup final, the stadium field must be physically enlarged.
The problem? The four corners of the lower concrete bowl block the wide field dimensions required by FIFA. In a high-stakes operation, teams demolish over 1,700 permanent seats to clear the space.
Workers clear tons of structural debris out of the stadium interior on a brutal deadline.
Engineering teams work day and night to redefine the boundaries of the stadium's core layout.
Heavy structural reinforcement steel is erected to rebuild the structural voids left behind.
Every new beam must seamlessly tie back into the original 16-year-old foundation.
Phase 1 of the massive World Cup structural modifications stands successfully completed. The structural landscape has changed, paving the way for the ultimate playing surface. Now comes the final phase, completely replacing the synthetic turf with natural grass.
Highly advanced modular steel seating systems are installed into the renovated corners. These genius modular sections can be retracted instantly, keeping the stadium multifunctional. Beneath the new grass lies a vast grid of advanced root ventilation and irrigation systems. Hundreds of tons of elite natural turf arrive on site under hyper-strict environmental controls. Master craftsmen roll out the living turf, creating a flawless pitch fit for global royalty. Every seam is inspected by hand to ensure a lethal, fast-playing surface with zero defects.
Subfield heating systems guarantee the living grass stays vibrant and resilient under extreme conditions.
The historic transformation is complete. The stage is set for the biggest game on Earth.
From a Jersey swamp to the capital of world soccer, New York has engineered the ultimate theater of dreams.